Hello, welcome to People's Language. Today, I want to tell you a funny story. Have you ever traveled somewhere and, had a little bit of a misunderstanding? Misunderstanding. Have you ever had a little bit of a problem with communication? You and the other person are talking, but you don't understand the same thing. Well, today I want to tell you a funny story about me in China. In 2023, I traveled to China for the first time. I went to China. China is very interesting. China is very cool. Chinese cities are very modern. Food in China is very cheap. Food in China is very delicious. Life in China is very convenient. At that time, I could not speak Chinese. Now, I speak a little Chinese, but not much. One day, I wanted to buy lunch. My girlfriend's mom always cooked a lot of food for lunch. So, I wanted to buy food to contribute. I wanted to buy food to help. I walked to a street near the apartment. I walked to a street where there were many restaurants. On this street, there were many food options. What foods? What options? Well, pork buns, vegetable buns, dumplings, beef noodles, a McDonald's. There were many food options. What do I choose? What do I buy? On the street, I saw a fried chicken shop. Was it KFC? No. This was not KFC. I saw a fried chicken shop. The fried chicken shop had a special. The fried chicken shop had a special deal. What was the special deal? Well, at this chicken shop, you can buy 6 pieces of chicken for 7 RMB. Really good deal. Really cheap. 7 RMB is about $1 American dollar, $1 US dollar. So I thought, 6 pieces of chicken for 7 RMB, good deal. I want to buy 6 pieces of chicken right now. Like I said before, in 2023, I did not speak much Chinese. In 2023, I knew how to say I want, 我要. I knew how to say a few numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that was it. I did not speak Chinese. I did not speak Chinese well. So, how was I going to communicate? How was I going to order the food? Well, I'll tell you. So, I went to the fried chicken shop. I went to the fried chicken shop and ordered. But I only know a little bit of Chinese. I said, I want 6. And then I pointed at the chicken. I said, 我要6个. And then I pointed to the chicken. I didn't know how to say chicken. The person, when I said 6, the person gave me a hand sign. The person went like this. I was confused. I said, no. I don't want 2. 1, 2. 我不要2个1 2 2个 I want 6. 我要6个 The woman now was still confused. I was confused. She showed me the hand again. And I said, boo, 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 boo. 6. 6个 I was confused. She was confused. We were confused. The woman took the chicken. The woman took a bag. I thought, okay, 2. It's okay. It's fine. The chicken looks delicious. 2 is okay. So, the woman starts putting the chicken into the bag. She goes, 1, 2, and I think, it's okay. But she keeps putting chicken into the bag. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6个 pieces of chicken. She gives me the bag. I give her money. Well, with my phone. In China, you pay with your phone. And I left. I went home. I went to eat lunch. I went to eat the delicious chicken. Everything was okay. But what? Not 2. I want 6. What was that all about? When I went home, when I went back to the apartment, I told my girlfriend and her mom the story. I said, 我要6个. And the person said, or the person showed me 2. I said, boo, 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 boo. 我要6个. My girlfriend and my girlfriend's mom laughed. Ha 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 ha. My girlfriend and my girlfriend's mom started laughing. Why are they laughing? I didn't understand. My girlfriend said, you are stupid. You are silly. In China, we count a little bit different. We count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In other words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? Well, in Chinese, numbers are based on the character. So, Liu looks kind of like the Liu character, but almost upside down. Yes. So, the woman, after all, was not saying 2, 1, 2. she was saying 6. She was trying to say 6, while I was saying 6. There was a little bit of miscommunication, but we both wanted to say the same thing. 6, 6. I learned something new that day. I made a mistake, but I learned something new, and that's good. How about you? Have you ever had a cultural misunderstanding or problem? In your country, how do people count? Tell me in the comments below. Take care, bye-bye.